This is a question that came up more than anything else. It's one of our key features, but also one of our most misunderstood features. It's the underfloor strap system. You can see it running down the middle of all our products on the 3-person tents, running from each corner to the centre. This is a duo. While it looks good, you can kind of tell something's wrong with it. The strap system's got loosened off. So if I jump in, I like roll straight into the middle. If you have someone else, we both roll in. It's not creating its own individual hammock berths. You can see here, the underfloor strap is actually become really loose. This just happens over time. Generally, the more you get in it, it might become a little bit loose every time. You might not notice it, but over time it gets this. It's a really simple fix. All you're going to do, start by loosening your hammock off. So with the hammock now loosened, you can adjust the strap. You'll see these 2 buckles here to keep it safe. Simply pull it up and back, and then pull the excess slack through till it looks tense. You might want to give it a couple of tries, tighten it up, loosen it off, just to make sure it's perfect for you. Once you've adjusted it though, you can simply tighten your hammock back up. As you can see guys, we've now got it properly tensioned again. You've got 2 equal berths. It's not sagging at the front. If I hop in it, I've got my own hammock berth, nice and tight down the middle. If Tom the cameraman was hopping, we'd have the other side nice and tight. It's perfect for spending the night in.